Hey everybody, Robot here from Vespa Motorsport, ScooterWest.com. I'm going to show you an inexpensive Italian-made folding rear rack. A little larger than the factory original Vespa folding rack. Scooter West part number GTS24C. It's made by Cuppini, installs just like the original rack. There's some nuances. Reuses that little beauty cover, which is a nice thing, so you don't see that exposed hardware there. A little bit larger and really easy to install. You can also get these optional little racks, clamps that hold it in the down position. So let's get right to it. I'll show you how to get this installed. All right, so just like the factory rack, pretty similar steps. Go ahead and remove this little cover right here with a Phillips screwdriver. Sometimes you're better off with a little shorty screwdriver instead of this long one where you're kind of struggling with it. Go ahead and set the little cover aside. Go ahead and loosen the two rearmost fasteners. You can do it with the T30 as well. It's a 5mm Allen. Pull the pet carrier out. You have the two fasteners that are kind of covered up by the pet carrier. If you have an older generation, slightly different how this is laid out, but the fasteners are all in the exact same positions. All these screws are going to be the same. Let's go ahead and set them aside. You need to reuse them. And I have my fingers right here to trap the screw and just prevent screwdriver from slipping and hitting the bodywork of the scooter. That's the last thing you don't want to do here. And the last one, kind of support the whole grab rail as you're removing this last fastener. Set that screwdriver aside and just carefully lift that grab rail right out of the way. So go ahead and take your brand new Cuppini folding rack. So the cool thing about this rack, it's a little simpler design, easier to install than the factory one. Keep in mind this will not work with the new factory top case or even the old factory top case. It does have a much larger surface on it. GTS24CP. There's a little instruction, and it does include some extra washers here as well. Start by taking two of the screws, and we'll carefully kind of set this underneath here. Kind of keep my hands. Those two screws started. Just get them started. That's all you need to do. You don't need to send them all the way home. The two washers that included with the rack and the two existing fasteners that held the original grab rail down. So the best spot for these washers is underneath here. So could do them on the top. They don't really specify, but you're gonna get a little bit better fitment if they're underneath and they shim the rear of the rack up a little bit. First one started, then the second one. They have a little bit larger holes that kind of register and align things. So kind of give it the look. Make sure it's nice and straight. May need to pull that down. And with any accessories, you probably want to come back and double check those fasteners. And we'll move up to these frontmost fasteners right here. Drop your pet carrier back in place. Best part is you can reuse this little cover, something you can't do with the factory folding rack. So you just reinstall this little cover with the original screw. Maybe best with a little shorty. And there you go, kind of covers that all up. And there you go. Got a nice extra large folding rack. If you're looking to fix it down, just search the Scooter West web store for 623376, and there's 3 different variations of these metal clamps. The original plastic clamp that's included with the factory Vespa folding rack isn't really the best, so I would probably avoid that one. But pretty much works like that. You can use the chrome one, red anodized. There's even a black version of this. And that's how you can easily fix this rack in the lower position. And at this point, you got some surface area. Whether you're gonna put a 30 pack, that's kind of a little questionable, but you could put that on there, probably over the weight limit, and you probably shouldn't be transporting a 30 pack of you know what. But more appropriately, you could probably put a beach blanket, small bag. You can use many of the soft bags that we have available, a basket. They'll fit perfectly on this. Maybe you're just looking for the classic look of a folding rack, and when it's not in use, just fold it back up. They have that nice little rubber bump, kind of keeps the noise down. You can also silence it by putting your clamp at the upper location as well. Robot here, thanks for watching my videos. What my last lake for today? About 11,000 feet. It's Summit Lake up here above Big Pine. I don't know, Eastern Sierra is it's breathtaking up here. The mountains, the snow, the lakes, the scenery. I recommend it. So end of that. See you on the next one, Robot.